mouth with your foot.
Breakfast time, huh? You could eat your foot.
That's good. And you can pick your nose. Pick your nose a little bit.
This is the edge of the bed, which shows how dangerous he is, because just the position he just got in, he would go sliding off if Grandpa wasn't there. And you don't even know it, do you, Landon? You have no idea. Your feet are dangling.
Getting yourself in a pickle. You're in a
Man
pickle
overboard.
now.
There he
Whoa,
goes.
he did pretty good. Hanging on.
Hang on to that blanket for dear life. You're standing. Whoops,
Good.
you're sitting.
You did good. You got off the bed. He's
Yeah,
proud of
that's just
himself.
what you wanted to do, wasn't it? You wanted to get down. Did you get down all by yourself? Oh, are you going to come over to Grandma? Keep coming. Couple more steps. Good boy, you got here. Yeah.